everyone, Kayley, your friendly neighborhood hairstylist here, and today we are doing some workout hairstyles. Every time I make a workout hairstyles video, I get comments where people are like, literally, I just put my hair in a ponytail and go to the gym. I'm not gonna go through this entire process, this entire glam session to put my hair up for the gym. And I get it. I feel like when I go to the gym, I'm either full Robin Scherbatsky or I'm ready to shoot a Lululemon campaign, and there is no in between. So I have made a whole lot of videos for the Lululemon side of my brain, but I think today I really wanna focus on functionality. I really wanna focus on how to make hairstyles stay super duper well, how you can do quick little upgrades to make sure that your hairstyle is not gonna move, and how you can make that a put together moment without spending an entire glam sesh on it. But of course, it wouldn't be a Kayley Melissa video if I wasn't giving you guys little hacks to make it also like a cute, more Lululemon moment, if that's what you want. So I hope that you guys enjoy this, and let's just jump right into it, starting with the V-functional stuff. Okay, let's start off with more of a Robin Scherbatsky kind of situation. So we're gonna throw our hair into a ponytail wherever you like your ponytail. Okay, so we have our standard ponytail. Normally this would be it and you would go. But if you want to make it a little bit more functional and a little bit more vibey, here's what you can do. You grab your middle school favorite snap clips and put them in where you feel like you need it. So if you have a lot of baby hairs right here, or at the nape of your neck, or wherever they tend to really get in the way, snappy clippy. Here's what I do. Because obviously right now my baby hairs are hidden and they all look like they're super sweet and follow direction very well. So we're just gonna kind of give them a chance to misbehave by massaging the hairline. Okay, now if you're trying to look cute and Lululemon-y, you can leave these out. But if you're trying to work out, you grab all the pesky baby hairs and you twist them a couple times. Then you pull it back, snappy clip. Now it's up to you. You can do snap clips on both sides if you want, as I just did. Or if you prefer just the one and you feel like it's just way too much middle school, if you have both, you can use bobby pins. So you still do the whole twisty thing, but then you pull it back, you take your bobby pin, and you're just gonna pin directly into the twist in the direction that it's going. Just like so. And depending on how long your baby hairs are, you can get up to probably 3 or 4 bobby pins in there. I'd say at least 2. It's your best bet for getting it to stay. And that way you can have the same functionality. The baby hairs are pinned back equally on both sides, but you don't have to wear the same hair thing on both sides if you don't want to. That being said, I'm gonna go back to the double snap clips because I liked it. And there you go, that's our first option. Super, super easy. It's 30 seconds to a minute. I would give it 1 Robin Scherbatsky because it's super, super easy, but it will keep those bobby pins out of the way. It gives you a little bit of a vibe. And at least for me, when I feel a little vibey, I work out harder. So it's also at least in my mind, it's 20% more calories burned, which is very much worth it. So this next one is for those of you guys who were okay, that baby hair trick is cute, but my baby hairs are an army and I need full-on defense. I've got you. Let's talk about it. So I'm gonna assume that you might not even need this little hair trick to loose the baby hairs, and if you do, you have 5 times as many as I do. My condolences. So here's what I'm gonna do. I got these Revlon Essentials snap clips. These are Uber snap clips. Little dots here to help catch your hair more. They've got a comb with teeth on the back. I mean, it's gonna hold. So I'm gonna grab a comb, I'm gonna pull these back. You might need a little bit of light hold gel. You could do firm hold if you want, but you and I both know that means you have to wash your hair after. Either way, we're gonna use the comb to pull it back and use your hand to grab the hairs. And then we're gonna take these clips and we're literally going to go all the way around the hairline, putting them in. But that will look crazy, you say. Just wait, I have an idea. Now, I mean, this is a look, and if you feel it, you can wear it, but you don't have to. My next step is to grab a workout headband. I grabbed this one specifically for this video because it's wide, it's elastic, so it's gonna be comfortable, and it has these rubber dots on it, which will help it stay in place. And this is from Scootsy, their Fit Girl Club line. So I'm gonna put the rubber on the inside so it's gripping against my hair, and I'm going to put the headband over the snap clips so that it covers them all up and adds an extra layer of protection. So I can feel this guy already kind of wants to like slide back a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is over my ears, I'm going to pin into the snap clips with a bobby pin the same color as the headband. And the snap clips are acting as an anchor. So the headband is sticking to the snap clips, so it's probably not gonna go anywhere. The bobby pin is into the snap clips, so they're definitely not going anywhere. This whole thing is a Fort Knox defense against the baby hair army. And for me, I typically am betrayed by the treacherous back of the headband that likes to like pop up as I'm working out. So I'm gonna do a little crisscross bobby pin action on top of that, and we're gonna be done. And that is that hairstyle. I'm giving this one 2 Robin Scherbatskys because it takes a little bit longer. I can see where this would take like 2 minutes max once you have it down, and your baby hairs are not gonna get in the way. Your hair is not gonna fall out. So whether you just really like to have it back for your like hour-long workout at the gym, or if you're an athlete working out hours on hours and hours and you really need your hair back, it's gonna help you out. It's gonna be that line of defense that you need. Ooh, you know what this hairstyle would be great for me? Boxing. Because when you've got freaking like lobster claws for hands, you can't sweep your hair back. And it ends up all in my face, and I'm very sweaty in boxing, and then I'm just like, to round off the very most functional of the hairstyles, I think I need to mention a very important ponytail trick. And that is to do your ponytail in 2 steps. It takes a little bit longer, but for those of you guys who have super big, heavy hair, it's both gonna help you not feel as much pain from the weight of your hair, and it's gonna help your hair stay up better. So essentially, I draw a diagonal line from my ears back, and then you can either put the top half in a ponytail first, or you can put the bottom half in a ponytail first. I like to do the bottom half first because that's gonna be like the anchor that holds your hair in place, and then you can just sweep the top back and do what you want as you do that. That way, if you need a little bit of extra control to add in some gel or anything like that as you're pulling the top back, you have that and you're not trying to wrestle with all of your hair at once. And from here, you can do whatever you want, really. You can add in a scrunchie, you could do a headband, you can do snap clips, you can do bobby pins, or you can leave it as is. But I do find that this is the best, especially if you really want to distribute the weight of your hair around your head. It's basically just a good all-around extra little step that you can take. It's very much worth it because it helps, you know, with the breakage, with the weight, with the hairline, all of that is worth it. So to take our previous hairstyles and make them a little bit more like sporty spice, I'm walking around in leggings because I wish I was in pajamas moment, we're gonna loosen up the baby hairs. Then you throw on a headband behind the hair that we've left out. Then we wrap a little bit of hair around the elastic, and then throw on your sporty spice jacket, and you're good to go. And see what I mean? You're fully like sporty spice, ready to like run around, look like a productive human while feeling as comfortable as you would in pajamas and a messy bun. Also, this hairstyle has a lot more consistently good results than a messy bun, which we know can be very cantankerous. You know, while we're talking about it, you could have some fully unnecessary snap clips in there too. Oh my gosh, she's so cool. She probably drinks so many smoothies and works out so many times a week. Like, oh my gosh. Actually, you know what? Forget it with the lime green ones. Let's go all in with like a bedazzled one. Who is she? If you can pull that off, you're probably like so much cooler than me. Okay, that was my Sporty Spice Athleisure take on the first couple hairstyles we did. Now let's keep moving on with our for the gym hairstyles. We're gonna move on to a bun. I already have my hair in a ponytail, so I am just going to wrap it around a few times and pin it in place. And from here, we're gonna utilize the exposed bobby pin trend. Essentially, within this trend, you can get away with just bobby pinning however you want. I'm gonna make a little bit of a design because like I'm me, but you really can go as crazy as you want here. And the fun thing is you can either do it on the side here or on the back to take care of some baby hairs. But I do like to do it with a bun because I find if you do it with a ponytail, then the free hair in the ponytail gets stuck in the bobby pins, which doesn't look cute. And then basically on any area where you're not doing the decorative bobby pins, you can do the little twist and pin method from before to make sure that all the baby hairs, whether it's on the side of your face or in the back of your head, are secured and will not pop out throughout your workout. And that is the bobby pin hairstyle. I think this is both functional and pretty. I'd give it like 1 Lululemon because it takes a minute to get the bobby pins in there right, but it's not super hard or time consuming. And another fun and even easier thing you can do in the back is use snap clips. That way you get like the functionality of pinning everything up, but also you have a little like peekaboo moment in the back of a hairstyle. This one is just ridiculously easy. You can do it with your favorite messy bun or quick bun of choice, and it adds that extra functionality and a little bit of look to go with your active wear. And you know, back to Athleisure Sporty Spice, you could also do a little bit of like a REG moment in the back and have some bedazzled snap clips. I think overall it's a V-cute style. Who am I? V-cute, REG. And finally, let's do something braided. Now I feel anytime you're gonna like do a braid, it's like 3 Lululemons. It's gonna take a minute, but it's also gonna pay off and be very pretty. So let's do today's braided hairstyle. I've already got a middle part going. I'm gonna Dutch braid the first side back from my hairline to where a low ponytail would sit. Now, the key to the prettiest of the braids is to take really tiny sections, because that gets you the most links in a braid, it gets you the most detailed looking braid, and I think it also helps the braid to stay better as you're working out. So it feels like it's taking longer as you're doing it, but in reality, it doesn't take more than maybe a minute longer, and the result is much better. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Aw, I love it when there's this one random hair that didn't fully get pulled back. If you have this little situation with like a little rogue bump like this guy, take a bobby pin, put it through that, and then pull it down to the braid and pin it under the braid. What bump? So I am going to pull apart the braid the tiniest bit, just because I want these links right here to look a little bit rounder. The angle is a little bit acute right now, and I just want to expand it. Acute, expand, acute, expand. And that's it. We're not trying to fluff. We're just kind of giving it a little exhale. And now we secure the braids together with an elastic. I'm pulling out the bobby pins that were in the ponytail and fluffing it out. And this is my athlete version of the hairstyle. It's gonna stay in really well. It's definitely held in place, but you know, you have the added effect of having braids if that's what you want. Now, if we wanna like fluff it up a bit and make it more of kind of like an everyday hairstyle versus like a workout hairstyle, here's what we're gonna do. First, I'm gonna pull this braid apart some more. So I'm going in and I'm pulling on the edges of the braid and just pulling kind of those outside hairs out. And the thing is, I could still wear this to, you know, a bar class or something, nothing crazy. No boxing maybe. You can still work out in it. And you can fully leave that in a ponytail if you want. I think it's really cute. But for the final option, I'm gonna grab a scrunchie and turn it into a chignon by putting the scrunchie on and on the last rotation, leaving the hair looped. And that's another really pretty version that you could definitely wear as like a Sporty Spice athleisure moment, or you could wear for yoga, Pilates, or bar. I think I might actually wear this to my bar class this weekend. Okay, that is it for our workout and athleisure hairstyles. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and got some good inspo for your time at the gym, or just your time where you want your hair out of your face and still looking put together. I actually really enjoyed this, and I'm definitely going to be using these as I get back into working out, and I hope that you guys enjoy them as well. If you did like today's video, don't forget to hit that like button to help support my channel. And if you're new here, please click that subscribe button so that you can join the Braidaholic family here on Kayley Melissa. And everybody, don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos. Hair tutorials on Saturdays and bonus videos on Wednesdays. And that's it for today. I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah! Bye! I couldn't get the straw in my mouth.
Shirt is on inside out. I don't think you can tell.
We're gonna change it after this one.